Intlx Solutions, founded by engineers valued for our expertise. Hello, I'm Bill St. Germain, and today we'll be walking you through the process of backing up an Avaya System Manager. While any Linux host will work, I'll be using a Raspberry Pi for our backup appliance for this example. To start, I'm going to grab the host name of my system manager since I'll be using the host name as the directory name where the backups will be stored on the Raspberry Pi, as shown here. Using the host name of your system makes it easy to identify which system the backups belong to when retrieving backups, as not all systems use an easy to identify name in their backup file names. With our backup server prepared to receive backups from our system manager, it's time to schedule a backup. From System Manager, simply navigate to Services, Backup and Restore, then choose Backup. From here, we define the file transfer protocol, the IP address of our backup server, the port used to access that server, a username and password, and a file name. Note, with System Manager, you manually define the name of the backup file, so in my case, I simply again use the host name of my System Manager, which will be at the end of the file name we defined. With all of that information populated, test your credentials to make sure they can connect successfully to your backup appliance. You'll want the backup to run daily. To do this, select the Schedule option. Provide a name for your scheduled job, the date and time that you wish your job to run, and define whether you want an end date. Then choose Commit. To view or cancel your backup job, navigate to Services, Scheduler, Pending Jobs, and here we can see our System Manager backup job, and we have options to edit, disable, and delete the job entirely. I scheduled our backup to run minutes from the current time so I can show you what the process of scheduling a backup looks like. Here we can see the job change to a state of running, and after about 10 minutes or so, a status of success. If we log into our backup server, we can see that the System Manager placed a zip file into the directory that we created, and a file name that includes the FQDN of our System Manager as well as the date for which the backup was completed. Hey, this is the end of our video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this demonstration, please hit the like button and subscribe to our growing community. Intlx Solutions, empowering people, connecting businesses.